Edinburgh's Winter Wonderland has taken the top spot on a list of the most loved festive markets in Europe. From mulled wine to vegan pigs and blankets, from Harry Potter themed gifts to local handmade produce, the stunning Christmas market in East Prince Street Gardens offers treats for all, and you must check it out. Hey guys, and welcome to Dream Destinations. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. In today's video we will talk about the Christmas markets in Edinburgh. Christmas markets are a huge draw during the festive time, and Edinburgh is a city with a really lovely selection of them. The daddy of them all is the huge East Prince Street Garden Market, but there are several smaller ones too that are no less charming. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. World-renowned Edinburgh's Christmas celebrations spread the festive cheer across the Scottish capital from late November up until the start of January. Widely considered to be one of the best places to go at Christmas time, Edinburgh is regularly named as one of the UK's top festive destinations. With the Christmas market and Santa Land taking over Prince Street Gardens, the fourth one big wheel has returned with breathtaking views of the capital and Christmas markets below. Skaters are able to enjoy the little ice rink too on George's Street, where there's plenty to see and do. This Christmas market is a huge draw for people all over the UK, as well as for the festive fun-seeking residents. Thousands have already enjoyed what's to offer, but if you haven't made the trip yet and are still looking to, you might be getting anxious with the big day looming, but don't worry, we've got the dates you need to ensure you don't miss out. The main Edinburgh Christmas market will run right until January 3rd. With opening times from 10 AM till 10 PM. Although it will be closed on Christmas Day, you can still enjoy the fun on Christmas Eve from 10 AM till 8 PM and Boxing Day from 12 PM until 8 PM. Santa Land returns to East Prince Street Gardens with rides for people of all ages to enjoy, while Santa's Grotto once again takes residence on Castle Street. Head to East Prince Street Gardens to find traditional chalets serving artisan festive foods, decorations, gifts and little treats. There are street food vendors serving everything from Bavarian produce to Scottish delicacies and winter tiplets, crafted beers and hot chocolate. You don't need to get tickets to go to Edinburgh Christmas Market. It's free, but beware of queues, and queuing systems will be in place at peak times. Already this winter, hour-long queues have formed of eager Christmas shoppers. Earlier this month, Edinburgh's Christmas Market was named the best in Europe by National Geographic, beating the competition from Paris, Brussels, Cologne and Amsterdam. Nothing beats a wander through a Christmas fair or market to get you in the Christmassy mood. I really hope you enjoyed this video about the Christmas markets in Edinburgh. Let me know in the comments if you plan on going here. Thanks for watching, and until next time.